In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to turn your engine bay from this into this. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please subscribe. My name is Eric and we're going to be transforming this Evo 10 engine bay. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. First thing we got to do is we got to put some block off plates where all the HVAC stuff used to be, and also where the old ECU wiring harness went as well. So let's get into that. Alright, so I finished up welding up these panels here, and then on the back side of them I used a little bit of seam sealer to seal that up, and then I also used a little bit of body filler on this side so it looks smooth. Alright, now we need to just grind down all the items in the engine bay that are not necessary. So let's get into that. So now that we got everything sanded, we got everything body filled, it is now time to clean this engine bay. So we need to degrease it. That way we can get ready to mask this off and get ready to spray. Pretty happy with the way this thing turned out. Now it's just epoxy primer. I didn't do base and clear because I'm 90% sure that I want to still keep it white, but there's that 10% chance that I may switch up the color on this car. And also, in addition to that, I need to weld in a bar right here for the radiator, so I'm gonna have to sand that stuff down. And there are a few imperfections that I can see now on my bodywork that I can go back in and fix up. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button and be sure to subscribe. There's more content coming. I'm going to start switching it up and doing some fabrication stuff, so stay tuned.